CJ Vergara will be fighting Asul Almabayev, and CJ Vergara recently bounced back after a loss to Tatsuro Taira with back-to-back wins over Daniel Lacerda and Vinicius Salvador. But Asul Almabayev is a heck of a talent, a heck of a prospect, 18-0. This guy is 5'4", 65 inches of reach, out of Almaty, Kazakhstan. He choked out today Osborne, and at Brave CF he used to be very good. Like the beginning of his career, he was unlucky to fight Tagir Ulanbekov and Mehman Mamedov, but after that, he continued winning, and his ground game is excellent. I just think CJ Vergara might have a hard job here, as I see Almabayev better in every aspect of the game. Maybe, just maybe their striking is even. Just maybe, but I still see Almabayev as a better striker, and if Almabayev is able to drag the fight to the ground, I believe CJ Vergara is going to lose. I'm giving advantage to Asul Almabayev here. So yeah, Almabayev to win.